On June 1st, 2024, officers were dispatched to 54th Avenue South after receiving reports that a white man in his 20s to 40s was seen spray painting a concrete wall in the area. When the officer approached the man, later identified as Howard, the officer saw he was in possession of white shorts and a black bag containing spray paint cans.
How's it going? How you doing? You have your ID on you?
What?
You have your ID on you?
Yeah, there's gonna be on the session.
Where you going, man? Hold up. Where you going? We're conducting an investigation. You have your ID on you? What? Can you maybe take the earpods out? What's going on? You have your ID on you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Can you get it for me?
We're on 53rd Avenue, and then we come back out to 54th.
No, absolutely not, dude.
They said though 53rd. I didn't see anything. I will back down 54th.
33
what's the issue?
The mail on 54th Avenue, just east of the toll plaza.
Before I proceed, what's the issue? I mean, obviously.
So that's for my call for your way?
Yeah, it's for your call. Did we make contact with anybody? Have to see if we can get
This
further
is the
info?
issue? Yeah.
No, I found it on the wall here. I'll have to try to...
Oh, what are you looking for, dude?
You have your ID. Listen, this is real simple. I'm asking for your ID.
I know. I understand.
Put your bag down for me.
No, hold on.
Put your bag down.
I understand this is very simple. I'm asking.
It's probably gonna be suspect. I can see straight picture.
I'm asking why you're stopping me, dude.
Because you fit the description of an investigation we're conducting, and when I pass you, you ducked into the bushes, and now I can see your bag. He's got some spray paint things in his bag.
I took a piss. Yeah. I took a piss.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you need?
Well, first off, I need your ID. I've asked you for like 3 times.
I know.
So yeah.
Ooh, hold on.
Yeah.
Bro, you're being a little bit too pressing.
No.
I have to ask.
Yeah.
I have to ask.
Okay, do me a favor. Put the bag down, all right? Put the bag down.
No, hold on.
Put the bag down.
Whoa.
Put the bag down.
Whoa.
Stop.
What's up?
Put the bag down.
31 my call. Do I have witnesses at 117?
Hold on.
You're being detained. You're being detained.
For what reason?
I'll explain all that to you in a second, all right?
For what reason?
I will explain all that for you in one reason.
For what reason?
I'll explain it to you. Just hang tight. Let's just throw them in your car. We'll do a quick pat down, throw them in your car. All right. You have anything on you, boss?
The original was a Steven
Okay. Lift your arms up. Lift your arms up.
6, 7, 5. 2, 6, 7, 5.
All right, step back this way, man. Step back this way. You're being detained. Yeah,
For what reason?
Hold on. I'll explain all that to you.
Wait. I have every right to
We'll explain all that to you.
I have every right to understand what the is going on.
We'll explain that to you.
So please explain it to me before you put me to this.
You're being detained.
No.
Sit in the car.
All right.
Sit in the car. Sit in the car. Sit in the car. The car.
Hey, do you have your...
My camera's on. Get in the car.
You have your camera on?
I do. Get in the car.
Your camera on?
I sure do. Get
Get in the car. Y'all have your camera on? For your...
During the interview, the witness reported seeing the suspect spray painting the wall and provided a description of him to the police.
And actually, could you just briefly tell me again, you were driving down 54th there, and you saw him tagging the last part, like the upper left corner there?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just driving down, he was coming home, so I drive it down. I'm like, what's the guy doing? I saw the black, and like, it wasn't there before, and he's at the top left side, already going. I said, oh wow, all that's already been done.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I called, she just pulled in.
Would you be okay with writing a statement down for me, or okay, that'd be great. Just give me one moment, and I'll get it for you.
While searching the suspect's bag, police found spray paint cans and his real ID. Turns out he wasn't Mr. Monopoly after all. Ryan Howard was arrested and charged with 1 count of criminal mischief and 1 count of resisting arrest. His bond was set at $1,000, and he was released after posting it.
Awesome. For no reason. Oh, I did a little doodle. Let me call my phone. We will, once we get you out of the county jail, you'll get a thanks for phone call. We don't have a phone number for you.
If you would like to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel.